Live from Enginase on the Ellembelle Science and Maths quiz. Today marks the circuit championship. And then I think there are four schools that are representing for the Enginase South. But there is only three schools that are currently in. So we'll get closer to the schools that are currently in the championship competition, speak to some of them, know their preparations so far towards the quiz that is going to take place in the next few hours. Auntie, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
And what's your name?
My name is Blessing, sir.
Oh, Madam Blessing. I hope you are a blessing to your school. Is that correct?
Yes.
Very well. What school do you attend?
I attend Adventist Preparatory.
Oh, Adventist. This is XD. That's correct, right? Very well. Okay. What was your position the other time or during the competition?
We were the first.
You were the first in your group, right?
Yes.
Very well. So you won and you're coming to compete another circuit championship. Is that correct?
Yes.
Very well. What is your preparation so far?
We are prepared very well. We want to be the first. We want to be
you
winner.
prepared very well.
Yes.
And then you want to be the first.
Yes.
But every other school has also prepared very well.
But our own is unique.
Your own is very unique, right?
Yes.
Very well. That's what our young lady is saying, that her school has really prepared very well, and then their preparation is extremely unique, and they're going to make the winner of this champions competition. Very well. Let's get closer to the boys. I presume the boys might probably give us a different. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
You have a lab coat. Why are you a scientist or you're a laboratory technician?
Yes.
You are all of them, right? Very well. Your name?
My name is Justice Bintu.
Uncle Justice. And what school do you represent?
Adventist Preparatory.
Oh, Adventist Preparatory School. Very well. Your school won the group stage, is that correct?
Yes.
And then you are competing for the championship today.
Yes.
How prepared is your school?
We are prepared very
Extremely well.
Yes.
And then you are emerging the winner? Are you sure?
Yes.
Very well. Are you part of the competitors?
Yes.
Very well. Okay. I wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. This is the Adventist school. The students are telling me that they are very well prepared, and that their preparation is extremely unique as compared to the other schools, and they are going to emerge the winner of this year Ellembelle Science and Maths quiz. I think we'll get closer to another school. Let's speak to them. I presume every one of them is very anxious and would want to emerge the winner of the year's Ellembelle Science and Maths quiz. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing? I go closer because of your lip. You have a red lip, Auntie Red Lips, what's your name?
This is Rosalind Chinova.
Come again?
Rosalind Chinova.
Okay, Rosalind Chineboa. Madam Rosalind Chineboa. What school do you represent?
Hasni Islamic.
Hassania.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. What class are you?
Form 3.
OJHS 3.
Yes.
Very well. And you are in the championship competition, is that correct?
Yes.
Your school won the group stage, is that correct?
Yes.
Very well. How well prepared is your school?
We are extremely prepared.
You are extremely prepared.
Yes.
And then you think you are going to emerge a winner?
Yes.
This school, Adventist said you are also going to be the winner.
Oh, but you are going to be the winner.
Oh, you are going to be the winner.
Yes.
That means you're going to beat Adventist.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Very well. This is what our lady is telling us. Madam Chiriba is saying that her school has prepared very well. They're also going to make the winner of this year championship of Ellembelle Science and Maths quiz. Since there are men around among them, want to get closer to, or could see some strong three guys among them. They are very bonyo, let's get closer to them and I speak to one of them. Hello, my man. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing? Very well. Speak louder. What's your name? Raymond.
Yes.
Very well. And you are part of the quiz competitors, right?
Yes.
Sure, very well. Your school won for the group stage, is that correct?
Yes.
And then you are in the championship, is that correct?
Yes.
And how well prepared is your school?
We are extremely prepared.
You are very well prepared,
Yes.
and you are going to emerge the winner.
Yes.
This school also said they are emerging the winners.
Yeah, my kids.
That is what our brother just said. He said these schools are his case, and he's definitely going to emerge the winner very well. I presume it's going to be very tight. I presume it's going to be very, 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 very tight, because you could see every one of them is very, 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 very well prepared. The enthusiasm level of the kids is very high. You could see every one of them is highly prepared, and they are going to. In fact, we are getting closer to the Ghana school. I love this school. They are the Ghanaian school. It was very fortunately the other time we were in Ghana month and they are not in the Ghana month. It's at April month, and very, very, very fortunately for me, it's my month as well because it's my birth month. Good morning.
Good morning.
Should I call you Ghana school? Or you have the name, another name for your school?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I say Independence Baptist.
Yes.
All right. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Onzanya.
Onzanyamreye. I don't know whether you understand her name. Onzanyamreye. I love your name. And what school do you represent?
I represent Independent Baptist.
Independent.
Baptist.
You are going to be the winner. And you are not speaking louder. The other schools are going to use their bigger voice to overcome you. Speak louder, speak louder. You are representing, what school do you represent?
Independent Baptist Academy.
Independent Baptist Academy. So you learn independently, right? You stand alone, is that correct? Very well. This school and the other school are saying they are imagining the winner. Are you also imagining the winner?
Yes, please.
Is it because you are a private school?
No, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Your teachers really taught you very well.
Yes.
Are you very well prepared?
Yes, please.
Are you very sure?
Yes.
All right, okay. I could see 4 students here, 2 boys and 2 girls. In fact, they are paying themselves here. I'm getting closer to one of them also. You see, they are men. Mr. Handsome Man, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You look very handsome. Oh, probably you look like your dad. Okay, what school do you attend?
Independent Baptist.
And your name?
Ellembelle Science.
Come again?
Ellembelle Science.
Ellembelle Science. And you are in Form what?
Form 3.
Form 3. Very well. Your school won the group stages. And you are here in the championship stage, right?
Yes.
Very well. Are you imagining the winner?
Yes. Sir.
Are you sure?
Yes. Sir.
Are you very optimistic about it?
Yes.
I don't see your enthusiasm level higher. I could see you are so down, man. Are you going to win?
Yes. Sir.
Sure, that's what your kids are saying. There were 4 schools that are supposed to represent, but currently we have only 3 schools here, and I presume the other last school will be joining very soon. We are reporting live from Enyinase South for the Ellembelle Science and Maths quiz